And today we're going to do a water heater flush. Shut the valves off on the heater itself. We'll hook a hose up to the drain valve at the bottom of the water heater. Now, we don't necessarily have a floor drain down here. We do have a sewage ejector pit. We're going to do, in order to make sure that the sewage ejector pit works as well, so we're going to stick the hose down in there. Open up the drain valve. And relieve the pressure inside the tank. And right now she's gonna start draining the tank. We're gonna relieve the pressure here shortly so that it can completely drain the tank. And how we'll do that is by removing the safety relief valve, which is right here on the side of the tank. This is a spring-loaded mechanism that will relieve that pressure. And what we're gonna do is slowly take out that pressure relief valve so that way we can inspect the backside and make sure that it would be functional in case of an emergency. Now the water level's still above here. As we open this up, she will start to pull in air and relieve the airlock, thus letting us drain more water. Now that we're finished draining, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fill the tank back up. Once the tank gets completely full of water, we'll start the burner back up and let all the air out of the system and go from there. The water heater's flushed.